Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss The Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2023 general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, promote ko lang yung Taurus bracelet. This is for alignment ng Taurus energy. So meron tong moss agate, aventurine, and rhodonite. So available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's begin. Taurus, ano yung energy ninyo? Energy update. Second half ng October. For Taurus. Wow, the Chariot. Bumubulusok. Umaabante. Ayan. So, kung meron kayong kung may mga bagay na nade-delay sa inyo, like delayed flights, delayed money. So, this is a message or a sign na magtutuloy-tuloy na, no? Kumbaga sa traffic. Kung na-traffic ka, ngayon, go signal na. Diretso na. And some of you are really focused on where you're headed, no? Focus ka sa kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve. Parang walang makakapigil sa'yo ngayon. Walang makakapigil sa'yo na maging successful. What is your challenge? Speaking of success, there are some people na pwedeng may mga naiinggit or, you know, they are somehow questioning you for being successful. Okay? So, ito yung time na wag mo silang pansinin. Dahil syempre, ganun naman lahat naman meron talagang, kumbaga, laging merong masasabi. Yan. So, ang importante is, you keep your eye on the prize. Let's see naman yung opportunities. Page of Wands. Merong bagong opportunity for you na kung saan you are, kumbaga, pwedeng hindi ka pa talaga, hindi mo pa siya nilalabas. Oo. You are still in the process of nurturing it, inaalagaan mo, inaasikaso mo. Pero hindi ka pa nagiging out in the open. And whatever this is, this can be a career, a business, eventually, mag-grow to into something good, into something great. Magbo-blossom siya. As long as tuloy-tuloy yung pag-aalaga mo. Para kasi itong mga plano mo na ginagawan mo na siya ng action, pero I think hindi mo pa siya talaga totally ina-announce. Siguro pinaprotectionan mo yung energy nito na hindi ma-jinx. Alam mo na. So, what is the blessing? Wow, ang ganda naman ng blessing, Taurus. This is also your energy. So, as a blessing, whatever this is that you are working on, this is going to be successful. Okay? Venus energy is the planet of money. This is the planet of art, luxury. So, pwede rin meron kang ma-acquire, mabibili na anything luxury na gamit, no? Bag, sasakyan, relo. This is also about taking care of yourself. So, I think mas marami kang oras na alagaan yung sarili mo, mag-focus sa sarili mo, i-improve yung sarili mo. What is the Chariot? Ten of Swords. Kung ano man yung mga naging challenges mo in the past, tapos na. Ito na yung time na bumabangon ka na. Ito na yung time na you are recovering. Ang dami. I feel like marami ka nakaaway, maraming naging against sa'yo. Maraming nag-backstab sa'yo. But you are rising from this. Okay? What is the Six of Wands? Ten of Wands. You have a lot of responsibilities. I think isa yan sa iniisip mo ngayon para magpatuloy sa buhay. Pero kahit na kaya mo siyang i-handle, nagsastruggle ka pa rin. Alam mo yon? Kasi syempre, masyadong pwedeng maraming umaasa sa'yo, you're a breadwinner, or meron kang business na maraming nakaasa sa negosyo na yan. What is the Page of Wands? The Knight of Swords. Alam mo, merong makikialam sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon or sa mga bagay na sinisimulan mo. So, itry mo na wag mo nang magsalita or mag-share ng anything dito sa mga plano mo. What is the Empress? Ten of Pentacles. Napakagandang blessing para sa inyo to Taurus. This is overwhelming money, blessings, finances. Sa family ninyo, no? Meron kang, kumbaga nakaka-generate ka na ng wealth, ng kayamanan na pwede mong maipamana sa mga susunod na generation. So whatever this is that you are working on, sabi nga work in silence. Oo. Wag mo nang ipagsabi para makaiwas dyan sa mga evil eye. Yung mga actually, yung iba unintentional. Kaya lang still it's an energy, 'di ba? My God, second house resources, Taurus. Wow, you are really focusing on your money, your values, yung talents and skills na mas dine-develop mo pa. You are focusing on your family life, your home life, your roots. Mas nagiging ka ngayon, secretive. Oo. But still, you're going to shine. Yes. Alam mo kung saan ka magaling, alam mo kung saan ka mas magiging successful, at yun yung mas dine-develop mo, ini-improve mo pa. Focusing on the money. So, speaking of money, meron kang, you are creating your own opportunities. Ito yung hindi to, kumbaga uncommon, no? Oo. Ito yung hindi pangkaraniwang opportunities na kaya mong gawin para sa sarili mo. Some of you, meron kayong mentorship. Pwedeng merong mag-share ng knowledge sa'yo. Tuturuan ka, or maaring ikaw, meron ka ng kakayanan na mag-share ng knowledge and skills mo sa iba. You might be a coach, a mentor, a teacher, a trainer. And you can create money from that. Okay? Sa love naman, may reconciliation. Yung iba, karmic relationship. Medyo mahirap pag karmic kasi parang cycle. Oo. Paulit-ulit yung problema hanggat hindi na susolusyonan. So, of course, it is still up to you. Kasi kanya-kanya naman tayo ng lessons na kailangan matutunan. So, sabi nga what you are not fixing, you are repeating. Kung ano hindi mo inaayos, yun yung paulit-ulit mong uulitin. Yun yung lagi mong uulitin. Okay? So rise above it. It's not yours to carry. You are an empath. How can you detach from the drama? Yes. Ito yung iiwasan mo na maapektuhan ka ng drama sa paligid mo. If it's not worth your time, then iwas ka na lang. Oo. And focus on your goals. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.